Hi everyone. I know you're expecting Veronica for this post, but I'm here to answer a question for you. Who is Becky Winn? Well, that's me, and I'm a new teacher here at AVS, and I just want to tell you a little bit about myself. I've been quilting for about 10 years, and I actually owned my own quilt store. And so the quilt store closed when my husband retired, and I had to find a new home, and AVS is the perfect spot for me. So I'm going to be teaching classes here. I do live a long ways away, so I will be here 1 week a month, and we have packed in so many quilts for you. And you will discover from the things that I show you that I love color. So this is one of the beautiful quilts that we're going to be doing classes on. I'm going to teach you how to quilt, and I have so many hints and everything fun. So as you can tell, this is a very colorful quilt, and it's one of the fun things that I have. This is called a one block wonder because the whole entire quilt is made from one fabric, and you have a panel of the fabric here in the middle, and then by layering and cutting the fabric a certain way, you make these gorgeous hexes, and you can put the hexes around any way you like, and you are going to come up with this beautiful quilt. And then we also will have this gorgeous fabric for the backing if you choose, and you will have a complete quilt that everybody is just going to think that you are the best quilter around, and it is super, super easy. And I know when you look at it, you're going to look and go, oh, there's Y seams. There's no Y seams. It's all straight sewing. So I'm going to teach you how to do that. So for those of you who have never made a tote, but you look at them and you're like, I wish I could do that, we have a really fun class that we're doing. It's a 3-day class, so you will go from start to finish, and you will finish your tote. And I have made my samples out of this really fun Tula pink line. It's called Homemade, and I love it because it has the polka dot sewing machine that she has done. So it's a really nice tote, big enough. And I'm also going to show you how to put this little back flap on here so that you can actually put it on a carry-on if you want to take it with you. It opens up really nice. So when you open it, you have this big wide area with big pockets. For our class on this. So this is our really fun watermelon table runner. You could also make it into 4 placemats if you prefer, but it's really colorful, fun for summer. We have a really fun backing on it with just watermelons, so you could turn it either direction. You are going to be getting a free pattern for this with directions, and we have these wonderful kits put together for you with all of the pieces, and we have the rulers available. So it's going to be a class that you're going to complete the entire table runner in one time. It has some really good techniques with it. You have a little bit of applique, you have some paper piecing, and of course a lot of quilting. So we're going to teach you how to do all of those things. This is one of the quilts that I think every person needs in their stash. It's called Wish Upon a Star. And this is going to be a series of 6 classes, but it will be 2 classes in 3 different months. So if you look at it, you will see a huge star is formed in the quilt with multiple stars inside of the star. And I have made it in traditional red, white, and blue because I totally love that. Just a little tidbit about myself. I was actually due on the 4th of July. I came on Flag Day instead. So I love patriotic, and it's just really fun. And we have some beautiful fat quarter bundles for you that you could use to start this quilt if you like the red, white, and blue. And there's some just fun backings that you can put. Just a really fun quilt, a lot of piecing. And I know this quilt looks really hard. It is one of the easiest quilts because it's made with 4 patches. You've got 4 patches here, half square triangles, and then stars. And I'm going to teach you how to make all of those. And then there's a little bit of applique work here. And those of you who have the machines, the really nice machines that do that beautiful embroidery, you could do something different here and get creative. So this is going to be a block of the month type of quilt to do, and just really fun. So this is our beautiful poppy table runner. We have it in 2 colors. So for those of you who like the really dark, we have the red with the black. And then we also have it in the light color with the silvers and the whites. Complete with backings. We have made kits for this for you, and this is the beautiful fabric line here. So this is going to be a class again, to teach you how to do like on-point squares and just some fun stuff. So looking forward to seeing you here for this class. So for those of you who already know, this is our Speckled Hope quilt, and this is a quilt that we started during the beginning of the pandemic. And it was a quilt done to help people who haven't really started quilting, but they really want to. And we have some really fun, easy squares here. It comes like this, complete, and we've named it after surrounding cities. So we have Fresno, Clovis, Madeira, things like that. We still have a few of these kits left. And the fun thing about it is that you go online and you see the video on how to make it. And then we are going to have a finishing class that's going to teach you how to make this border, which is really fun. So we hope to see you, and don't forget to get your copy.